This is Peter Larsen, and with this small video I'd like to show you how you produce a UML class diagram from a VDM++ model. Here we have the cash dispenser example that I have imported from the Overture examples. I can right-click on the project, go to UML transformation, and convert to UML. This is generating going through all the classes, trying to say what kind of things are being added, and eventually it's kind of adding a file called generated cash dispenser pp.uml. And with this file, I can go into Modelio. I can take a project. I'll need to open the project first. And when I've opened a project inside Modelio, which otherwise probably is empty, I'll then have the opportunity to import it. The place you can import it is a little bit special, so you have to go into the project, and it has more levels. And starting at this level, with kind of like a directory thing, we can go in and say import, export, import, XMI import. XMI is an exchange standard for different UML tools. But here we'll go into documents, Overture, and my project is stored on the November 2018 thing. And here in the generated thing, I say import cash dispenser UML file, say open, and say import. And then it takes a bit of time. It may give you some errors and warnings. Don't just ignore those. Essentially, we go in, and now we have all the classes that we had in the VDM++ model. Now, if we want to have them in a class diagram, we say create diagram, and we select class diagram and say OK. And this class diagram we can then double click. Then we simply drag in the files or the classes we'd like to have. So in this cash dispenser, I'll just like to show that if I put in a cash center resource thing, which was the one I had in my VDM file over here, you see it has lots of instance variables. Then I can pull in the associations it has as well. So for example, you can say that it has accounts, and actually it has like a map to accounts, and then I have this. It also has illegal cards. I can put in the illegal cards here, place it where I want, and I can pull in a clock, just a very basic instance variable, put it like that. And I could put in a letterbox. Letterbox is a sequence of things. So actually this gives us the different letters from the sensor resource. I could continue pulling in more things, but you can see that the names of these things are coming in, and you can use this to create the kind of class diagram you'd like to show. So you select the classes you want. In case you wanted to put in some of the operations, you'll select the operations you wanted to have in your presence, and then it would be coming in here. That doesn't look very good. So I would have to resize things if I put in all the operations. Anyway, I hope this gave you an idea of how to make use of the linkage between the Overture tool and the SysML UML tool called Modelio.